So what's really fantastic about our lead retrieval solution is it's going to be fully software based. So whether you're actually providing this solution to potential partners or sponsors that you are hosting at your own events, or if you're putting on your own, let's say, customer conference and you want to provide this specific solution to your own sales representatives to gather leads at the event, all they'll need is their own smartphone. Now, when I am utilizing a lead retrieval license, I have the ability to add team members directly to my exhibiting organization. So whether I have one individual a part of my exhibiting organization or 10, I can always add them to my own team. And all they'll need to do to invite them is just need their name and email. Now, in that invite link, we'll have some download instructions to download our lead retrieval app. And once I have that app downloaded, I'm ready to start scanning at the specific event. So as you can see here, I already have some leads populated in, and I can even see that some of the leads that my teammates have scanned at the event as well. But where I'll go to actually scan leads when I'm at the event is this orange button down towards the bottom. So if I am having a conversation with an individual at the event and maybe we're, chatting and there seems to be a good lead opportunity available, I can actually click on this orange button here, pull up my camera, scan a QR code, whether it's on their own name badge that we got through Socio on site or Webex Events on site, or the QR code that's actually inside of the event app. Either one will absolutely work. I can now edit that lead information, whether I'd like to change some of the titles. Maybe this individual's received a promotion. I can actually rate this lead based on the conversation that we had, or even take a quick note. Maybe they're only available to discuss in the upcoming week on Mondays and Wednesdays. Along with that, I can actually update my own contact information inside of here to make sure that I have the preferred name and email for the individual. And I can also see who else on my team has actually scanned this lead. Now, as I am scanning those leads, I actually have my own data dashboard that I can see how my specific exhibiting team is doing at the event. How many leads have we scanned? What does that activity look like? And maybe do we see any sort of spikes in the time frame of when those leads were scanned? And as I kind of scroll down towards the bottom, I think what's really beneficial from the supervisor standpoint or managerial standpoint is I can even see how my booth staff is participating in this specific event. Are these individuals out at the booth working and gathering leads, or are they hanging out in the reception hall, maybe grabbing some free drinks? You have that opportunity to really see how individuals are performing. And what's incredibly value from the exhibitor point of view is I can actually export my leads in real time as well. So I'm not waiting 2 to 3 weeks after the event for a, clogged up and cluttered Excel file. I can actually send this out to the right individuals while the event's taking place to make sure we're maximizing the amount of time between gathering a lead and reaching out to that lead.